Hey there, yo guys, what's up? This is Bart Bregman here from out of Lima this time, and today on Toro Demo Trading, the platform where we discuss strategies, but not only copy trading. We try also to explain you a little bit about the markets and how things work in the trading world. Anyway, today we're talking about the head and shoulders pattern and how to scout for it and why you need to know about that pattern. Now we have an article here. I will link it in the description down below, or you're arrived on this article. Anyway, as you can see here in this image here, this is a very good example of a head and shoulders. Basically, what a head and shoulders does is an upgoing trend, as you can see here, going upwards, but it creates two shoulders and then one big top, and you can draw a smiley face on his head. Anyway, this is a very common pattern that is very well known in the trading. Everybody looks for this as well. But also what it means is that whenever this pattern is created, don't go in thinking it will go higher. Be aware that head and shoulders patterns usually break to the downside. So be aware of that. There is another one. It's called the inverse head and shoulders. Here is a good example of that. The inverse head and shoulders is just the head and shoulders upside down. And let's have a look if we can find this pattern in the eToro platform. Alright, so now in the eToro platform, don't forget to switch to virtual account because we're done trading with real portfolio. Toro Demo Trading, we're all about demo trading, so it's all about the virtual account. And I don't give real trading advice because of legal reasons. Anyway, as you can see here in the Bitcoin, we have this pattern forming here. And as you can see, it goes up, down, up, one big head, goes down again to the same level. It's very important. Then it goes up to the same shoulder level. And this is the moment you could zoom out to a chart and say, okay, this is a head and shoulders forming. If it breaks this specific level, I need to sell my position because usually it trades very aggressive to the downside, and that's why we try to scout for this pattern. And what you need to understand, this is a very long time frame pattern. This doesn't happen in a few hours. This is a time frame, if you can see here, Bitcoin from January all the way to March. This is a 3-month time window where this pattern is forming, and this pattern can even take 3 years to form. So it's a very long time frame period pattern to scout for. So now let's find an inverse head and shoulders quickly. All right, so here we have an inverse head and shoulders forming. Actually, there are two head and shoulders. If we divide a line here, we can see here a very small inverse head and shoulders. And this pattern is not always perfect, of course, but as you can see here, it broke to the upside. And we can make from this one a bigger head and shoulders. And this one created a move to the downside. So try to scout for this pattern, try to find it, try to analyze charts with the of course all the other patterns we discuss on our website as well, because if you know how to scout these patterns, you know when to get out of a trade, or when, for example, when a breakout hits, because this particular moment when the head and shoulders is breaking down, that is also a very good moment for shorting. You're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna short sell Bitcoin, and then you can make some money on the downside as well. So try to scout for those patterns forming, and be aware that this is a very long period, because this is a period of from April all the way to next year, August. Alright, so just try to be aware of it, that this pattern can happen, and this pattern is very, very helpful to scout for longer time frame turn trades. Anyway, a short video today. Hope you learned something, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Bart Bregman,